Hi, and welcome to Alex's cooking show. That was weird.
What do you think of this? What was it? Which one was it? Do you want to make a cake with us? Cake.
As you guys know, we sold our apartment and we moved into a van. We lived in that van for 7 months, more or so. I still have videos that I'm gonna upload from the trip. Eventually we decided that we wanted to, go back and be a little bit more stable. So we did. And now we're located in Norway again. And I have got myself a really nice big kitchen. So what I've been doing is that I've been cooking a lot because, as you have seen in the videos from van life, is that we didn't have an oven. All we had was the gas cooker, which works perfectly, but sometimes it's nice to have an oven too, especially when you're vegan, because you have to cook a lot yourself if you want something yummy. So I've just been really excited to have an oven and a big kitchen basically, because now I can cook all I want. So I've been thinking, I love cake and I love chocolate, like who doesn't, right? But I've never seemed to be able to find like a chocolate cake, or a recipe for that matter, that I really enjoy, that is like that thick, rich, like chocolate, and just chocolate heaven, you know what I mean? So since I have all this room now, I decided to try to make my own. So obviously I'm not a cook, so I have to find inspiration from other places. So I've been going around on Pinterest and YouTube and just looking at a ton of different recipes. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna mix the things that I think sounds reasonable and good, and try to make my own version and see if it turns out good. Also, I just want to say that the reason I decided to film this is because I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys on Instagram telling me that you really want recipes from the dishes that I'm making, because I'm posting a lot of it on Instagram on my story. So it's you guys are the reason that I'm making this video, so I just want to thank you for that, and I appreciate all of the love and support. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any other meals that you want me to try to veganize or make for you guys, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like this video. Anyways, let's get into the baking.